Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gorn Guitar. We have Anne-Marie here with a song called Therapy. So, 3-chord song here, melody or just plain strumming, that's what we're gonna work with. Capo on 1st fret, and with that we have 3 chords: E minor, A minor, and B minor. Or actually the 7th added there, so E minor 7. Alright, so that is open E, then 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. So just the 2nd on A, all other strings are open. Next chord is the A minor 7. So that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the B minor 7. That's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 2nd fret there. You bar 5 strings from bottom up, not the last one if you don't want to, and then we need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. Alright, so from E minor to A minor to B minor. Alright, so we're gonna look at the melody first. So we'll start with the E minor, hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play this part. Alright, so that is open E string, 2nd A, open D, and open G. And then a clap. So you do that in a fluent way, like this. And then you pick all the same strings together. E, A, D, and G string from the chord. Alright? And then you're gonna add this note. So that is open E, 3rd B 2 time, then 1st B, 2nd G, and 1st B. If you want, you can add this feeling to it when it comes to the 2nd time you play the 3rd B string. That note, you can try to slide that a little bit, so you get this cool effect to it. So what you do there is to play open E, 3rd B, and then you play the 2nd time 3rd B. You start from the 2nd B and slide into 3rd like this, and just continue. All right. So that's the E minor part. Then we're gonna go to the A minor. You're gonna hold the chord as it is, and we're gonna follow the same pattern. You're gonna play this part as we begin with the E minor. That is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and a clap. And then you go over to the B minor 7 and you pick that chord. That means you're gonna pick the 2nd A, 4th D, 2nd G, and 3rd B. Together like this. And then you're gonna play the same notes you played to E minor here. But not the last note there on the 1st B string. You're gonna end that with the 3rd B string instead. So. Okay, so the last note there is the only difference there. Instead of going to 1st fret B string like you did here for the E minor, you go to 3rd B string. And that's the melody. So slowly, like this. Alright, you can play like that, and you can also play with just a strumming pattern, and then we need to look at that. So let's go back to the E minor 7, and we're gonna play one full round of strumming here for E minor, so we need to learn that, and then we're gonna split it into different parts. So one full strumming sounds like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up, clap. And then you play the part 2, which is down, pause, clap. And if you combine these two parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, pause, clap. All right, so that is the E minor, one full round. And then you go to A minor and play part 1, down, down, up, clap. And then to B minor and play part 2, down, clap. So. Okay, so that is how you handle the Anne-Marie's Therapy. One round of strumming will sound. Yes. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, support me here on Goran Guitar and hit the click the like button there and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. So thank you for your support, guys, and play tuned.